Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Alfred ESPX here. Now I'm picturing the status of my watch collections for the 2021. As you can see here, I'll feature 6 of my watch collection, and we're going to discuss this one by one. Okay, so the first one is this. My Seiko Kinetic Perpetual calendar, SNP 001P1. Okay, so I bought this watch since 2010. Yeah, this is my oldest watch. I have a separate watch review of this timepiece, but in Tagalog version. So okay, so this is one of the line from Seiko, Premier Kinetic Perpetual. Movement is quartz. So the movement is 7D48. The crystal is sapphire, so it's scratch resistant. Feature of this about overcharge prevention function, energy depletion, forewarning ability, integrated date, month, leap year, and 24 hours time display, and 100-meter water resistant. Full stainless steel bracelet, stainless steel case back. Okay, push button deployment class, time relay technology, auto relay sleeve, time relay system preserve accurate time up to 4 years. So obviously this is not a 4-year-old watch, or it's already around 12 years old. Yeah, but still working fine. Never been open, never been serviced. So this is my first watch. This is one of the reasons why I started collecting watches. Okay, I bought this from Dubai. It's case diameter is 40 millimeter. Okay, so the next one is this. This is the Seiko Prospect yellow butterfly fish baby tuna. So this watch is a limited edition. So basically, the strap is not the original one. I just replaced it. Actually, the strap is a blue rubber and got one extra white color. So I just like the NATO strap to pair with the watch. Okay. So I bought this. Brand new of this watch is $800. Yes, Singapore dollars. But this watch is a limited edition. I also have a watch review, but also in Tagalog. Please check out my channel, Alfred ESPX. If you're listening now, please subscribe, like, and comment. If you haven't been subscribed already, okay? So this is a limited edition, basically Southeast Asian market, for the Southeast Asian market. Okay, Singapore, Macau, Malaysia, Brunei, and Hong Kong. Okay, we only made 2,200 pieces of this watch, so I got one. Okay, I'm one of the lucky guys that managed to acquire this limited edition piece. Okay, so the movement caliber is 4R36. So the glass material is reinforced glass, okay, and a water resistant for up to 200 meters. Okay. Okay. There's another one. Next is my Omega Seamaster Professional. Okay. This is also a push button class, as you can see. This is an automatic watch chronometer with date and screw-in crown. Okay, unidirectional bezel. 20 mm lugs to lugs, steel bracelet, steel case, 40 mm case diameter, dial is black, dome scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Okay, so it is water resistant for up to 600 meters. The movement inside is from Omega, in-house movement, caliber Omega 2500. So it's a self-winding automatic watch with the 48 hours power reserve. So this is one of my favorite watch to wear. I almost wear it every day. Okay. Thing is this one from Davosa. It's a mechanical watch. I also have a watch review of this watch. It's in my channel, on my channel. Please look it up. Okay, so this is not a self-winding watch, unlike the first two divers watch. So as you can see behind, it's pretty right. Okay. So this is the limited edition Davosa SL300. Okay. Reference 160.506.66. So the SL300 is a type of car from Mercedes, racing car from 1954. Okay. So the case is silver. Strap, the original strap is not the original strap. I just replaced it so that it can match the pilot's. Okay, case width is 44 millimeter. Okay, it is water resistant for up to 50 meters. I love this watch. I almost wear this every day. This is not a self-winding watch, so you need to wind this every other day. Okay. So the movement inside is called DAV 6498. Okay. Glass type is sapphire. Also, it's a scratch resistant. This is a limited edition. They made this model 200 pieces. Okay, so as you can see from the number here, 186. So I'm one of the lucky guy that acquired one of the models. Okay. Love this watch. The next one is the only watch that from New Zealand, if I'm not, that I have from my collection. It's a Magrette. Okay. This particular model, they call it Moana Pacific Waterman GMT. Okay. So when they delivered it to me, the original strap is brown, but they gave me an extra, so I replaced it with this strap. It's quite nice. Okay. So this is the GMT movement caliber. This is a ETA caliber 2893-2. Okay. So 42 mm case diameter. 316. Sorry. This is a, as you can see, is a bronze. Okay, but there's a stainless steel model also of this. Okay, so the bronze is CUSN8 bronze. Okay, one of the model. So this is a blue ceramic. Okay. Yep, the bezel and a screw down crown, and it has a Swiss Super Luminova, so it's very bright. You can see the numbers, the indices from the dark. Okay. The last one. This one. Now this one's become my favorite watch to wear. Okay. I bought this one last year. As you can see, there's already some scratches because I wore it from work to work also. Okay. So this particular model is from Hamilton. Intramatic Panda dial. So H38416-711. Okay, just look at the dial, it's very beautiful. So this become my favorite watch to wear. Okay, so this is a stainless steel case with a fixed bezel. Okay, 40 mm case size, thickness is 14.45 mm. Okay, so water resistant up to 100 liters. Just nice. Okay, so this is a chronograph. So guys, if you're up to watches like me, please subscribe, especially if you're a Filipino who are listening and want to subscribe, want to know more of the watches. We can share our knowledge. Okay, we really like start to collect. This is for you. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and have a great day, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.